Hi, Mr. Sapon. How are you doing today? Good to see you.
I'm doing well. Yeah, it's good to see you too.
Right. So let me first and foremost say a very big thank you for referring clients to AB Legal all the time. I would like to think that we did a great job with your N400. So I'm trying to put together some testimonials for AB Legal, and so that would require that I spend some time with some of my past clients, and you happen to be one of them. Interestingly, I was your client because you used to make clothes for me, and the tables
Yes.
turn, and you became my client. So do you want to tell our audience how you became my client?
Okay. So a couple of years, I had a curfew, and I never knew it would affect me that much. I do travel, and I remember when I was coming back into the United States, I was stopped at the immigration and I was detained. So it continued for years. I never told anybody. So it got to a time that I said I have to let this thing stop. That is when I reached out to you regarding the issue that I was having. Yes.
Right, right. So I recall that you had to make a cloth for me because there was an event that I had to attend. And you had told me that, of course, you had traveled, you'd be back just in time. Fast forward, because of the record you're talking about, you missed your flight because you were being detained and questioned and all that. So you consulted with us, right? And what did we do?
Yes. Yes, I remember we had a Zoom just like this, and you told me the process that you take me through. I remember telling you I've gone through two other immigration lawyers, and they made it scary. So I was a little bit bothering for me. But with your expertise, you made it smoother than I thought. Yes,
Okay, all right.
it was one of my smooth process. Yes.
Well, thank you. I guess that's why we do what we do. And so we walked you through. I specifically walked you through what the steps were going to entail. We put together your documents, and after submitting, do you recall the timeline from submission to biometrics and when you're actually sworn in to become a U.S. citizen?
I think it was probably like 2.5 months. I don't think it went up to 3 months. I think it was really short. It was really short. I think it was like 2.5 months.
Yeah.
Yes, and I remember when you called that I have to go and do my biometrics, and I remember when you told me you gave me the date for my swearing in. I was like, it was a big relief for me. Yes.
Right. Okay. So you shared a story with me, a very short story, and I find that very funny till date. So you said that each time previously, before you became a U.S. citizen, your experience when you became a U.S. citizen, do you want to share that with our audience? I thought it's funny.
Yes, I remember. Yes, I remember. Soon as I became a citizen, I think a week or two, I applied for my U.S. passport, and I had to leave the country. And I remember when I was coming back, I said, "This time around, let me see how it goes." So I was at the citizen side, and I saw the green card holder side. So when I got to the immigration officer, I handed him my passport, and he said, "Welcome to the United States, Mr. Sapon." It was I wanted to laugh out loud, but I was like,
Right.
this is a relief. Yes.
Right. Sounds good. So overall, well, I know you refer clients to us, but overall, what has your experience been, and would you keep referring clients to AB Legal?
Overall, it's been great, and with your expertise, I know you know the in and outs of the immigration, because how you were able to pull that thing out to now, I leave it to you, because that's your field. And, overall, it's been great and smooth, and I would urge anybody who has any issue with immigration to reach out to AB Legal Consultants, and I know you definitely take care of them.
All right. Okay. Well, thank you. I know you said you don't want to do fashion anymore, but you owe me one last dress before you quit fashion. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Let's see how it goes. Okay. All right.
Thank you for making time to speak with me, and I look forward to seeing you very soon.
All right. You're welcome. Thank you very much too.
All right.
Take care.
You too.
Bye.